Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC statistics online classes. In the previous section we had discussed about total fertility rates and problems based on total fertility rates. In this section we are going to discuss about the important problems of measures of fertility rates. Okay, now let's see the problem, that is compute CBR, that is crude birth rate, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate and total fertility rate. Here given informations are age group, male population, female population and number of births. Okay, now let's see the first one, that is crude birth rate. Okay, the formula of crude birth rate is, that is birth divided by number of live births divided by total number of population in a year, that is P into 1000. Okay, this is equal to births divided by, see in the problem male population and female populations are given. So here population in the sense it includes male and female population. So I will write population as, that is male population plus female population into 1000. Okay, this is equal to, first we need to calculate total of this observation, total of births. So here births are given, then total of births are, first observation is 212 plus 657 plus 592 plus 326 plus 81, that is 1000. Okay, next we need to calculate total of male population and total of female population. Okay, in a male population, first observation is 20,730 plus 7366 plus 7300 plus 6300 plus 9980 plus 7400 plus 8400. So total of this is 67,476. And next we need to calculate total of female population. Here first observation is 19,840 plus 7,310 plus 7,120 plus 5,860 plus 9,120 plus 6,910 plus 7,900, that is 64,060. Okay, now I will substitute these two these values are formula. So here births are 1,868 divided by male population is 67,476 plus female population is 64,060. So here population is, total population is 1,31,536 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 1,868 divided by 1,31,536 into 1000, that is 14.20. Okay, this is crude birth rate. Okay, next we need to calculate GFR, general fertility rate. We know the formula of general fertility rate, that is number of live births in a year, that is B divided by sum of, so female population, here female population take the age 15 to 49 years into 1000. Okay, this is the formula to calculate general fertility rate. Okay, now based on our formula, here we consider only female population, because here we need female populations only and births. So here births totals are there. Next we need to calculate total of female population in the year 15 to 49 years. See here the 15 year is 15 to 49 years, that is from here to here. Okay, we need to calculate female population, total of female population from here to here, because these observations are lies between the age 15 to 49 years. Okay, now sum of that female population is, the first observation 7,310 plus 7,120 plus 5,860 plus 9,120 plus 6,910. So sum of these is 36,320, and here births observation 1,868 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 1,868 divided by 36,320 into 1000, that is 51.43. Okay, this is the calculated answer of general fertility rate. Okay, next based on our question, next we need to calculate age specific fertility rate. We know the formula of age specific fertility rate, that is number of live births in the specified age group in a year divided by average number of females in that particular age group in a year into 1000. Okay, see the question. In the question, the first specified age group, that is 0 to 14. Okay, but we need only we need only childbearing age, that is the first here starts 15 to 19. Okay, this is equal to, in this specified age, number of live births are 212 divided by average number of population in that specified age group. Okay, in this specified age group, the average number of female populations are 703 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 212 divided by 703 into 1000, that is 29. Okay, now I will write that value here. Okay, next specified year is 20 to 24, and here number of live births are 657 divided by, okay, in this specified age group, female populations are 7,120. So into 1000, that is 92.27. Okay, next here specified age group, that is yes, here 20 to 24 is over, next is 25 to 29. Okay, under this age group, under this specified age group, the number of births are 592 divided by, so under this specified age group, female population 5,860. So into 1000, that is 101.02. Okay, next specified age group 30 to 39. So under this, in this specified age group, the number of births are 326 divided by, okay, under this age group, female populations are 9,120 into 1000, that is 35.74. Okay, next specified age group 40 to 49. Okay, here number of live births are 81, and total number of female populations are 6,910 into 1000. So this age specific fertility rate is 11.72. The next value is 0. Okay, now these are the values of age specific fertility rate. Okay, next, based on our question, we need to calculate total fertility rate, that is TFR. TFR formula is 5 into summation quinquennial age specific fertility rate. Okay, this is equal to 5 into, see there some we have age specific fertility rate observation. We need to calculate sum of that observation. So sum of that observations are the first value here 29 plus 92.27 plus 101.02 plus 35.74 plus 11.72 plus 0. So sum of age specific fertility rates are 269.75. Okay, now I will substitute this value under this formula, that is TFR is equal to 5 into 269.75. Okay, this is equal to 5 into 269.75 is 1348.75. Okay, this value indicates, that is TFR indicates 1348.7 in the sense 1349 children per 1000 women. Yes, this is the important problem of measures of fertility rates. Okay, thank you for watching this video.